Yeah, you just gotta get past this little portion right here. You might have to get that arm that's up on this side down underneath. There you go.
Oh my gosh, I was about to get a back cramp. That would not be good in here.
Actually, here it is.
Need the helmet down there yet?
Get the midwife, dude.
Push! Breathe.
I'm in trouble. This is like Chinese torture or something.
Alright, put you up like that. Get ready? Oh yeah, dude, take a moment. Take a breath.
Oh, it's like grinding in my toes or something.
Just don't think about closed spaces and having rock all around you or anything.
It's cool. I'm not that claustrophobic. Alright.
Alright, dude, you want to help? Just shine one of those lights down here real bright. Right?
Yep. Trade it. Hey, you want the light?
You ready?
You see it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Here you go. Put your hands right there. This is the hardest part. Another brother. Wait a second. You heard this gave birth to us. Mama, it's a boy. It's boys. It's boys.